Disclaimer. One important thing before we start, imagine walking into the grocery store 6 months from now. The coffee aisle is still full, but your favorite bag now costs 40% more and contains 4 fewer ounces. That's how shortages begin today. They don't start with empty shelves, they start with shrinking packages and disappearing value. Food shortages don't begin with empty shelves. They begin with something much harder to notice. A smaller bag, a higher price, your favorite budget brand quietly disappearing. Most people won't realize what's happening until they're already paying twice as much. But the warning signs are already here. Today, we're counting down 12 everyday foods that are quietly slipping out of reach for millions of Americans. And the number one item is under more pressure than it's been in decades. Imagine walking into your local grocery store 6 months from now. The shelves are still stocked, the lights are on, nothing looks unusual, but then you start noticing the little things. Your favorite coffee is in a smaller bag. The budget pasta you always bought is gone. The canned tomatoes that used to cost $1 now cost nearly twice as much. Modern food shortages don't usually begin with empty shelves. They begin with products quietly becoming too expensive for ordinary families. Packages shrink, budget brands disappear. Affordable options slowly vanish while premium products take their place. Most people won't realize what's happening until their weekly grocery bill suddenly feels impossible to manage. Today, we're counting down 12 everyday foods that are quietly slipping out of reach for millions of Americans. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why the number one item is under more pressure than it's been in decades. Let's begin. 1. Whole bean coffee. For millions of Americans, the day doesn't truly begin until that first cup of coffee, but coffee is becoming one of the easiest places to hide inflation. The shelves still look full, yet the bags are getting smaller while prices continue climbing. Many of the affordable whole bean options that shoppers relied on are quietly disappearing, replaced by premium blends carrying much higher price tags. Because nearly all of America's coffee is imported, every harvest, shipping delay, or weather problem overseas eventually reaches your grocery cart. The shortage isn't empty shelves, it's paying significantly more for exactly the same morning routine. If you buy coffee regularly, whole beans remain the better value because they stay fresh longer than pre-ground coffee. Just don't panic buy. Keeping a reasonable supply is far smarter than filling your pantry with years' worth of beans. 1. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Chocolate isn't disappearing. Real cocoa is. Walk through many grocery stores today and you'll notice something interesting. There are plenty of chocolate drink mixes, plenty of candy bars, plenty of baking mixes, but finding pure unsweetened cocoa powder has become much harder. As cocoa harvests struggle with disease and unpredictable weather, manufacturers have every reason to stretch the real ingredient by adding sugar, fillers, and flavorings. From the outside, the shelves appear full, but the product inside the container is slowly changing. For many families, cocoa isn't just another pantry item. It's birthday cakes, holiday cookies, warm brownies fresh from the oven. Sometimes losing an ingredient means losing a tradition. 1. Canned tomatoes. Few pantry foods are as versatile as canned tomatoes. One inexpensive can can transform rice, pasta, beans, soups, or chili into an entirely different meal. That's exactly why they're becoming more expensive. Tomatoes themselves aren't the only issue. Every can also depends on steel, transportation, energy, and processing costs. When those expenses rise together, the first products to disappear are usually the inexpensive store brands. The premium imported brands often remain available. They simply cost much more. If you've noticed yourself paying more for what used to be a simple pantry staple, you're not imagining it. Affordable canned tomatoes are quietly becoming harder to replace. 1. Powdered milk. Fresh milk is one of the first foods people lose during a prolonged power outage. That's why powdered milk has become increasingly valuable. It lasts far longer, doesn't require refrigeration until mixed, and provides an easy source of protein and calcium when fresh dairy isn't available. But demand has grown much faster than many people realize. As energy and manufacturing costs continue rising, larger budget containers are becoming harder to find. For families preparing for emergencies or simply trying to stretch their grocery budget, powdered milk has become less of a backup product and more of an everyday necessity. And when something moves from nice to have to essential, prices almost always follow. 1. Peanut butter. Peanut butter isn't disappearing because America is running out of peanuts. It's disappearing because more families are relying on it than ever before. As beef, eggs, and other protein sources become more expensive, peanut butter has become one of the most affordable ways to put a filling meal on the table. That shift is changing what's available on store shelves. The first jars to disappear are usually the large, budget-friendly sizes. What's left are smaller containers and premium brands that cost much more per ounce. Its value goes beyond price. Peanut butter is ready to eat, packed with calories and protein, and doesn't require cooking. During storms, power outages, or tight financial times, it becomes one of the most dependable foods in the pantry. The next time you see the biggest jars missing from the shelf, don't assume it's bad timing. It could be an early sign that more families are making the same difficult choices. 1. White rice. Rice has always been one of the foundations of affordable meals. A single bag can stretch soups, feed large families, and turn small portions of meat into meals that last for days. That's exactly why demand rises whenever grocery budgets tighten. The problem isn't that rice is disappearing overnight, it's that the best values disappear first. Large economy bags become harder to find, while smaller packages quietly become more expensive. Recent production forecasts have also added pressure to the market, leaving less room for unexpected spikes in demand. For families trying to prepare without overspending, rice remains one of the smartest pantry staples available, but waiting until everyone else starts buying it usually means paying the highest price. 1. Dry pasta. Few foods have rescued more weeknight dinners than a simple box of pasta. It's inexpensive, easy to store, and can feed an entire family with just a few additional ingredients. But that's also why it's becoming more competitive. As shoppers look for affordable alternatives to expensive meat-based meals, store-brand pasta is disappearing from shelves faster than retailers can replace it. The familiar promotions many shoppers counted on are becoming less common, making pasta feel more expensive even when the sticker price hasn't changed much. Premium imported brands may still be available, but for many families, they're no longer the affordable option they once were. The pasta aisle still looks full. It's just becoming harder to find the boxes that fit an everyday grocery budget. 1. Canned beans. When grocery prices rise, canned beans become one of the first foods people reach for. They're inexpensive. They're filling, they're already cooked, and they provide protein without requiring hours of preparation. That growing demand is putting pressure on the most affordable options. Store-brand black beans, pinto beans, and kidney beans are often the first cans to disappear. leaving behind premium varieties or prepared meals that cost considerably more. For families trying to stretch every dollar, beans have become one of the easiest ways to replace more expensive proteins without sacrificing nutrition. It's another reminder that shortages don't always look dramatic. Sometimes they simply mean the products ordinary families depend on become the hardest ones to find. So far, we've looked at foods that help stretch a grocery budget, but the next 4 items aren't just about saving money. They're about something every kitchen depends on every single day. And the closer we get to number 1, the more expensive those everyday essentials become. 1. Cooking oil. Cooking oil is one of those products most people don't think about until the bottle is almost empty. Yet, it's one of the most important ingredients in nearly every kitchen. Without it, frying, sautéing, baking, and even simple meal preparation become much more difficult. While common vegetable oils remain relatively available, higher quality oils like olive and avocado oil have become much more expensive after years of poor harvests and rising transportation costs. Many shoppers are also discovering another trend. The bottle looks familiar, but it's smaller, or it's been blended with cheaper oils while keeping almost the same label. That's why reading the ingredients has become just as important as looking at the price. Sometimes the biggest change isn't what you pay, it's what you're actually buying. 1. Canned tuna. Canned tuna has long been one of the best values in the grocery store. It's packed with protein, requires no cooking, and can become lunch or dinner in just a few minutes. But today's cans aren't what they used to be. Many have quietly become smaller while containing more water or oil and less actual fish. At first glance, the price may seem almost unchanged. Look closer and you'll notice you're paying more for less. Rising fuel costs, international shipping, and tighter fishing regulations have all made tuna more expensive to produce. Instead of shocking customers with huge price increases, manufacturers often shrink the product instead. It's a change that's easy to miss until you compare today's can with the one you bought just a few years ago. 1. Canned salmon. If tuna has become expensive, salmon has become a luxury for many families. Wild salmon harvests depend on nature, ocean conditions, weather, and annual fish populations all determine how much reaches store shelves. That uncertainty has pushed prices steadily higher. Today, many shoppers skip canned salmon altogether after seeing the price. Others settle for much smaller cans that cost nearly the same as the larger ones once did. That's unfortunate because salmon remains one of the healthiest proteins available, rich in omega-3s and nutrients that support heart and brain health. The product hasn't disappeared, but for many Americans, its affordability has. 1. Beef. The number one food under the greatest pressure isn't hidden in the pantry. It's in the meat department. For decades, beef has been the centerpiece of countless American dinners. But building a cattle herd takes years, not months. When ranchers reduce herd sizes during difficult times, supplies don't recover overnight. That long production cycle is one of the biggest reasons beef prices continue climbing. The first thing shoppers notice isn't empty shelves, it's fewer value packs, higher prices for lean ground beef, and smaller discounts than they remember. As steaks become more expensive, families shift toward ground beef. As ground beef becomes more expensive, more families begin replacing it altogether. It's a chain reaction that affects nearly every grocery budget. Beef isn't disappearing. Affordable beef is. And for millions of families, that's an important difference. Conclusion: if there's one lesson from everything we've covered today, it's this. Modern shortages rarely begin with empty shelves. They begin quietly. A favorite product disappears. A package becomes smaller. A budget brand is replaced by something twice the price. Most people don't notice these changes until they're already spending significantly more every week. The good news is that staying ahead doesn't require panic buying. It simply means paying attention. Compare the price per ounce, watch for shrinking package sizes, and stock up on the items your family actually uses whenever you find a genuine sale. Small, steady preparation almost always beats last-minute panic. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which grocery item has increased the most where you live? Tell us your state and the current price in the comments. Your experience could help someone else prepare before the next price increase arrives. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because the next changes at the grocery store may already be happening.